Welcome to my YouTube channel Turbo Ride TV, and today I'm taking you into the future of luxury travel with a deep, fully immersive review of one of the most stunning futuristic motorhome concepts ever imagined. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement about where premium mobility, technology, and comfort are heading. From its jaw-dropping exterior design to the hyper-modern interior, advanced safety systems, unique selling points, expected performance capabilities, conceptual pricing, and finally my verdict, we're going through everything in one smooth narrative so you get the full experience of what this machine represents. Let's start with its exterior because that's the first thing that blows your mind. The futuristic motorhome stands tall and proud with an ultra-aerodynamic silhouette that almost makes it look alive, like it's slicing through air even when parked. The front profile features a massive seamless black glass canopy wrapping around the driver area, giving it a spaceship-like presence. The body uses a sleek maroon and silver dual-tone finish with long flowing surfaces that reflect light like liquid metal. Thin LED strips run along the edges, headlights, taillights, and side accent bars, creating a continuous illumination effect that feels pulled straight from a sci-fi movie. The multi-axle setup with oversized chrome wheels hints at both power and luxury, and the extended rear module carries that premium motorhome shape but with futuristic geometry, smooth contours, and sharp design lines that scream high-end engineering. The exterior doesn't just look modern, it looks like it was designed 20 years ahead of its time, blending aesthetics, aerodynamics, and pure presence. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where this concept truly transforms into a luxury living space on wheels. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed by an open-plan layout that feels more like a high-tech luxury apartment than a vehicle. The panoramic windows flood the space with light during the day and offer breathtaking outside views of the city or countryside at night. Ambient LED lighting runs gently through the ceiling, under the cabinets, along the walls, and even around the furniture, giving the entire cabin a soft glow that adapts to different moods. The seating is crafted with premium materials, maroon leather, silver accent stitching, and fully reclining smart lounge chairs that adjust automatically based on posture. The main lounge features a curved sofa that wraps comfortably around the living area, making it the heart of relaxation and conversation. The kitchen is compact but incredibly futuristic, with integrated appliances hidden behind touch-sensitive panels, a smart induction surface that lights up only when in use, and storage solutions concealed within the curved wall architecture. Moving toward the dining area, you see a beautifully designed table with LED edges that give it the illusion of floating. This is where families or friends gather to enjoy meals while traveling, enjoying not just food but the experience. For sleeping, the motorhome includes a floating bed setup in the back, supported by soft indirect lighting and surrounded by futuristic curved surfaces that give the bedroom a calming, cozy vibe. The digital dashboard up front is filled with holographic interfaces, augmented displays, and smart controls that allow the driver to access navigation, diagnostics, entertainment systems, and real-time data with ease. Everything in the interior feels premium, intelligent, and crafted for comfort and modern living. Now let's talk about performance, because even though this is a concept, the inspiration behind it clearly aims for strong capabilities. A futuristic motorhome like this is expected to feature an electric or hybrid electric powertrain delivering strong torque for smooth acceleration despite its size. Multi-axle distribution ensures stability at highway speeds, and advanced regenerative braking systems help recharge the battery during long trips. With a large battery pack integrated under the chassis, the motorhome would likely support long-distance travel, potentially offering a range of several hundred kilometers before needing a recharge or hybrid power assist. The suspension would be adaptive and intelligent, using real-time road scanning sensors to adjust stiffness and damping for the smoothest ride possible, whether you're cruising on a highway or navigating through the city. Noise insulation, vibration control, and seamless power delivery combine to give passengers a near-silent travel experience. While exact numbers aren't available, the general expectation is premium, high-end performance with the smoothness of an electric luxury vehicle and the strength of a heavy-duty touring machine. When it comes to safety features, this futuristic motorhome sets a whole new benchmark. You can expect advanced driver assist systems including autonomous lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and AI-driven collision avoidance. Surround view cameras provide a full 360-degree perspective, eliminating blind spots and making parking easier. The holographic dash display gives real-time alerts and predictive warnings for road conditions ahead. Emergency braking, cross-traffic alerts, and pedestrian detection systems work with AI-powered decision algorithms for maximum safety. The vehicle would likely include thermal sensors, radar, lidar, and ultrasonic scanners to monitor the environment in all conditions: day, night, rain, fog, or snow. Inside, safety also means comfort and stability, so the cabin would feature integrated seat restraint systems, smart airbag placement, fire-resistant materials, and secure locking compartments to keep everything in place during travel. In essence, the safety package prioritizes both prevention and protection, merging futuristic technology with practical reliability. Now let's talk about unique selling points, because this concept motorhome brings several standout innovations. First is its futuristic design, both exterior and interior. No other motorhome combines sleek aerodynamics, futuristic lighting, and hyper-modern styling in this way. Second is the smart living environment with AI-assisted climate control, lighting, and entertainment systems that adapt to passenger preferences. Third is the massive panoramic glass canopy that gives drivers and passengers unparalleled visibility and aesthetic appeal. Fourth is the premium comfort with modular seating, floating bed design, hidden kitchen tech, and a lounge space that rivals luxury apartments. Fifth is the expected performance powered by electric or hybrid systems, offering eco-friendly long-distance travel with advanced energy management. Another major USP is the cutting-edge safety suite that integrates multiple sensors and AI features for the safest travel experience possible. Combined, these features make this motorhome not just a vehicle but a futuristic lifestyle product aimed at premium travelers who want innovation, comfort, and elegance all in one package. Now let's talk about price. Since this is still a concept design, there's no official price tag, but we can estimate based on the technology, luxury features, design complexity, and materials. A motorhome of this caliber, if produced, would easily fall into the ultra-premium segment. You'd be looking at a price starting anywhere from $300,000 and potentially reaching $600,000 or more depending on customization, powertrain options, and advanced systems included. It's not meant for the average buyer, it's for those who demand the very best in futuristic luxury travel. In markets like Europe or the Middle East, the price could go even higher with bespoke interior packages, tech upgrades, and custom exterior finishes. Essentially, this would be the supercar of motorhomes, exclusive, impressive, and very much a luxury investment. Finally, let's wrap up with the conclusion. This futuristic motorhome concept represents the next stage of luxury travel, merging advanced technology, bold design, and incredible comfort into one breathtaking package. The exterior looks like it belongs in the future, the interior feels like a high-end smart apartment, the performance promises smooth and powerful electrified travel, and the safety features are loaded with AI-driven enhancements. Its unique selling points make it unlike anything currently on the market, and while the price would sit firmly in the ultra-luxury segment, what you're really paying for is innovation, beauty, and an unforgettable travel experience. If this vehicle ever goes into production, it will redefine what a motorhome can be.